Full or partial mesh topology is a type of network topology where it's known as decentralized, where the layout are there's multiple routes to get to between different devices. It creates a really highly robust network, but it does require all devices to be connected to all other devices for it to be classed as a full mesh. Now, what we mean by this is, let's take our simple example which we've got here, and we've got computer A, we've got computer B, C, and D. If I want to communicate between A and D, well, I can just go down the communication line of A to D, and that would be absolutely fine. However, I could also communicate to D via A to B, which gives me an alternative option. I could also communicate if I were to go A to C to D, and that would be another option. The most long-winded way would be to go to A to B, C to B, and then B to D. 3 different routes to get to the same part of a network. It makes it highly robust. It makes it very difficult to break down a network like this, and in many ways it's a similar way to how the internet is structured, in that devices can communicate to each other using multiple routes of access to different parts of a network. Now, it's a very robust type of network. There's no reliance on any one device or connection. The disadvantage is it can be very expensive to set up. There are additional disadvantages, though, where we can also say things like the security on the network is often the responsibility of the individual machine. So let's say computer C here doesn't have the most up-to-date virus software or security protocols and gets infected with a computer virus. It could easily spread itself to any of the other devices on the network. If all the other devices are patched correctly and are up to date correctly, etc., then we might see a situation where only that computer is infected, but the potential to cause lots of damage on a network like this is quite high in the same sense as well.